Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Halaseen and today I'll be sharing with you guys my current favorites from 2020. So basically these are the skincare and the makeup products. So firstly let's move on to the skincare and body care products. So yeah, let's go. So the first product is Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer for non-sticky glowing skin, hyaluronic acid plus vitamin E. So that's the product. I love this product because I wasn't sure like how this is gonna be, and I think I'll finish this very soon. I love using this product. I love using this stuff. It's my favorite moisturizer and I'm going to stick to this for a very long time now till I don't find similar one in similar texture and all sort of things. So yeah, that's the favorite. Has to be. So the next product is the Tejaswini face powder, soap free. So this was the free Sesha Beauty product which I had received with the Kumkumadi Thailam. So this face wash, I have never used such a face powder. I always thought that face powders are drying for a combination skin, but to my surprise this product is magic. Like, the pigmentation is so less on my skin. Like, I love my skin and it's not drying at all. I started using in this December, like from the 1st December I started using this, as I'm almost over with all my face washes, and I'm just loving this product a lot. Also you can use it in a various ways, like make face packs or just use it as a face wash, or you can mix it with some other face pack and all those stuff. So the next product is Skin Gloss from Bare Beauty. This is the illuminating primer oil. So yeah, that's the product. I've applied this today as well. I love how this product has turned out. Like, the way it glows the skin is really amazing. I had ordered this for myself, then looking at my skin and my glow, a few of my friends have also ordered it and they are just loving this product. So yeah, that has to be my favorite primer, all time favorite. So the next product is the Skin Castle Cosmetics lip scrub. So this is their cute little caramel lip scrub, and I love how this I love how this tastes. I love how this gives the result. This is a homegrown brand and yeah, I love it. So yeah, I love this product a lot. Then my next favorite product is Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence Smoothing Plus Radiance. I know a lot of people have problem with this. I have heard a lot of negative reviews more than positive reviews, but to my surprise this has worked very much nicely for my skin. I had baby bumps on my skin year and year, but this has worked very nicely for them and all my skin is clear now, and I'm going to finish this, but I'll get a smaller version itself because the bigger ones I'm not able to finish them at all. Smaller ones I can buy restocking it, but I can't go for a bigger product and then use it. If I'm bored, then I have to throw it away at the end. So it's better to get the mini ones than go for a larger ones. So yeah, that's the L'Oreal Essence. Then the next product is for the nails. This is the Cuticle Potion Moisturizes, Heals, Strengthens from Arena. So that's the product. It's like a very much nice I can say what we say, I can say balm or something for my nails. For the first time when I applied this, I can really see the difference. My nails were so dry and so looking good, and after using this product my nails are just very much shiny and I love them, and they look very much nice now. So the next product is the body lotion. So this is the Plum body lotion, and this is the Hawaiian Rumba. So that's the product. And started using this recently, and even my dad loves it. He loves the smell of this product and the way it stays for so long. So yeah, definitely I'm also loving this, no doubt. So yeah, that's the product. Then the next product is the Zilch Micellar water. So basically this is the mild micellar makeup remover. Thought that micellar makeup remover will be my favorite because I had a very bad experience with the Garnier micellar water. It never removed my makeup, and I had to remove it with the oil, reapply everything, and then again. So that was a long process, but this works like, it's a big thumbs up from my end for this product. If you are looking for a micellar water, go for this one. It's definitely a must buy product. And for the lastly, the skincare product is this rice water cleansing oil. So I've used it almost. I love how this works, like the way it moisturizes the skin, and the way it removes the makeup is really amazing. It removes the very stubborn makeup so easily and just like quickly. I think you should definitely buy that. So yeah, those were all the skincare products. Now let's move on to the makeup product. So let's move on to the makeup now. So for makeup, the first product is the Face Forward Primer Stick. This is the Sugar's Face Forward Primer Stick. I love how this covers my pore and gives that matte look whenever I want. So that's the product. And I love the way it has gives that finished matte look. Currently I'm more into dewy kind of a look, so I use the skin gloss, but for matte look I definitely use this primer. So the next product is the NYX foundation. So this product I have recently purchased and I have used this twice, but I so love this product. It's in the shade honey. It's in the shade honey, golden honey. So yeah, that's the product. Just 1 or 2 drops and it's good to go. Like, it covers all. It's high coverage foundation for I feel. So yeah, that's that. And the next product is Maybelline Colossal Bold Eyeliner. So this is one of the amazing eyeliners I have used till now, and my current favorite as well. This is my current favorite and I have applied it today also. It's you can practice using, if you want to practice weighing eyeliner, you should definitely purchase this. Also it's very much affordable, so do check this out. Then the next product is the Tryon Cosmetics Cheek Leaders highlighter and blush. So it's very cute, the packaging. This is the highlighter and these two are the blushes. I have mostly used this one, and I love how it is very much pigmented and at a very affordable price. I'll share all the links in the description box below with the discount code, so do check them out. So that's that. Then the next product is the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. I love this product. Earlier I didn't knew how to use this. Like, I never thought of, I was a very much beginner, but this product is just amazing. I've become a pro using this now. So you get a very cute tiny brush and a tweezer with it, but I don't use the tweezer. Then the next product is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. So that's the product. I love this highlighter a lot. The way it gives that shine is amazing. I love it a lot. Don't mind, I have a lot of makeup products, and so let's continue. So the next product is the Autumn Spice. This is the Nicka K eyeshadow palette. So those are the eyeshadow palette. The pigmentation is very beginner and you want to buy an eyeshadow, go for this one. You get 3 eyeshadows for 999. Maybe the prices are up or down now, so you can always check it on Hook Makeup for the prices. I got mine from Hook Makeup. So the next one is the Mocha Mix Nicka K palette, and those are the shades. I love the pigmentation of this eyeshadow palette. They are very much amazing. For a beginner, it's a must buy kit. So the next product is the compact powder. So this is actually almost over. I love the sugar compact. So the pan, almost I can see the pan now, but I still use this because the way it gives that matte finish and that look is amazing. I have applied it today as well. You just have to apply the skin gloss and this matte compact powder, and you're good to go with the lipstick, eyeliner and the mascara. So yeah, that's that, and the rest are I think the lipsticks now. Oh yeah, one more product is pending. So this is the Volumized Lash Paradise. How can I forget this? Let me show you guys. This has been one of the amazing products. I'm not a mascara fan at all because I feel that mascara clumses my eye look, and so I don't prefer mascaras much. But I love this product. The way it has given me that fake, it looks like I've applied some fake eyelashes on my eyelids, and it doesn't clumps at all. It gives that volumized look. It's a promise. So yeah, it's a must buy. So the pending are the lipsticks, I feel. Yeah, so these are the lipsticks from my this year current favorite. So the first lipstick has to be the NYX lipstick. This is in the shade Exotic. I love the shade and I love the wand as well. So that's the lipstick. I already have done the swatches for this lipstick. So that's the shade, and a very much pretty nice nude shade. So the next lipstick is from the Bare Motte. So these lipsticks are very much affordable, so you should definitely check this out. Also they are very much long lasting. So that's the shade. This is shade number 09, LG09, and that's how the wand looks. It's flat and you can easily apply this. So that's the shade. So my next lipstick is again from Bare Motte, and this is in the shade LG08. Beautiful brown shade. So yeah, it's gorgeous. I love it. Then the next favorite, Lakme Absolute Metal Matte Vintage Pink color. Also I've mentioned about this lipstick in my previous video. So that's the shade. It's a everyday go-to-go lipstick. So that's that from the Blur Cosmetics. I love the red lipstick. I have already applied on my lips today. The way it gives the brighter look, it's amazing, and I love the packaging. It looks so royal and so classy. So that's the lipstick. Then the next product and the last product for today is the lipstick from My Glam LIT Liquid Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Hookup. So that's the one. It's beautiful coral nudie kind of a shade. So that's the shade. It's that coral or orangey tone shade, I can say, and it looks really amazing. You can see the swatches for all this lipstick on my Instagram page. I'll share all the links in the description box, so do check out. So yeah, last product for today is this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Finish Setting Spray. So that's the setting spray. It gives a very much nice natural look. So if you are looking for a nice setting spray, so you should check the Wet n Wild ones. They also have other variants, so you can definitely check that out. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon below, and till then, take care. Bye bye, stay safe.